We've had people from, one afternoon we had a family from Ukraine, family from Denmark. They've both been watching the movie for a long time. Last week we had people from Spain, and we've had people from France. And women's rights, human rights are about the value and equal importance of each person. And that's what the message of this movie is about. So it's the perfect setting to talk about all those things together. That's our original location, which is currently under construction. She needs to be a The problem is she's stereotyped as that housewife mother from the Donna Reed show. People don't look at the fact that those Donna Reed shows were really pioneering, and in one of them she becomes elected the first woman president. Her husband's vacuuming the carpet at the White House, you know, and I think it's a dream he had.
Some.
Yeah.